Cleaning up data in S4S, finding end-dated students. Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to quickly look up your student in ESL Tracker to just quickly cross-reference and check in with students that you are pretty sure have already been end-dated, but they are still showing up in S4S. So the first thing I'll do is I'll log in and I'll select my school from the drop-down list here, and then I'll enter the student's last name. And I click the word Find. This should pop up my student. I can select them and click on the word Current Year Data. Once I'm in here, I might notice that there's nothing there for current year. Now I'm going to check all years data. Aha! Mystery solved. This student has a program end date of 29/09/2020. That means they were already end dated last year in 2020, but for some reason they're showing up in S4S, so I will need to discontinue them in S4S to make them stop showing up on a list when we run a query report of all ELLs.